Determination of calcium and magnesium test milk reagents. EDTA solution, 0.01 molar buffer solution. Ammonium chloride plus ammonia. Iriochrome, black tea indicator, distilled water milk sample apparatus. Burette pipette conical flask volumetric flask beaker procedure. Step 1. Sample preparation. Take 10 milliliters of milk. Dilute it to 100 milliliters with distilled water. Mix well and filter to remove any fat or precipitate if needed. Step 2. Titration pipette, 10 milliliters of the prepared milk solution into a conical flask. A dd 2 ml buffer solution to maintain pH. Add 2-3 drops of Iriochrome black tea, indicator the solution will turn wine red. Titrate with 0.01 EDTA solution from the burette until the color changes from wine red to pure blue. Endpoint. Wine red gives pure blue calculation. Let V equals volume of EDA used, M equals molarity of EDTA. W equals volume of milk sample taken formula. Total hardness in mgl equals volume multiply. Molarity multiply 100,000 divide sample taken. This value includes both calcium and magnesium as hardness. Example: volume of EDTA used, 9.5 ml. Molarity of EDTA, 0.01 m. Volume of milk taken, 10 milliliters. Hardness equals 9.5. Multiply 0.01 multiply 100,000 divide by 10 equals 950 milligrams. L as calcium carbonate.